Hello, and welcome to day 15 of learning Python from chatgpt. So the last lesson we learned about the web scraper, beautiful soup. I'm just going to quickly review that to make sure I haven't forgotten it. So, example, fetching request can use a request library. So we can do request.get URL, and we can do response. I'm going to check if it's a successful response. Okay. So then from the from the response we can just use beautiful soup to pass that, and soup dot title dot string. So it basically returns the object, the DOM object model, I think, isn't it? Yeah, basically a bit like it. So first paragraph dot find soup dot find p. So you can find all. Okay. So please give me lesson 15, day 15 of learning Python from chatgpt, following on from the previous topic, which was beautiful soup. Advanced techniques. So, in the previous lesson, we covered the basics of web scraping using beautiful soup. Today, we'll dive into a deeper, more advanced techniques such as navigating complex HTML structures, handling pagination. Didn't even know that was a word. Pagination. And working with dynamic content. So, number one, navigating complex HTML structures. So sometimes the data you need is nested deep within complex HTML structures. Beautiful Soup provides powerful methods to navigate and search through these structures. So we get the response, and then we make it, the soup is like the parser thing. So the thing that's being parsed. So container equals soup dot find. So we find a div, and then the class container. Okay. So that finds the first one, if there's just one. Then items, find all div class item. Okay. So for item in items, so we get all the divs that have the class item, and then we do item.find h2, then description equals item.find p of text. Okay, that's pretty easy actually. So it's just these class underscore, and I assume it's ID underscore as well, but I'm not sure. So handling pagination. Many websites display data across multiple pages. To create such data, you need to handle pagination. So while true, response equals request.get base URL plus string page. So this would go to example.com/page/1. So if we're checking if it was successful, if it's not, we break out the loop. Yeah, and otherwise we do soup equals. So this was a response. So we do it for every page there is. But if there's not page 15 per se, we break out the while loop because there's no more pages. So this is the parse bit, and then we find all. So if it's not in items, we break. If there's nothing in item. Okay, so for item in items. Okay, yeah, that's pretty easy. Dynamic content. So some websites use JavaScript to load content dynamically. For these cases, you can use Selenium to control web browser and load JavaScript content. So URL. driver equals webdriver.chrome. Oh, so this is all Selenium. WebDriver. What? What's WebDriver? Oh. So this is just getting all this, including JavaScript. Okay. Then we can just use it normally. Okay. But then we need to do quit after. Okay. Okay, so we'll do this one first. To be honest, this is a pretty complex topic, and I'm glad this early on in the chain. If I can open project. Okay, so let's open a new Python file, day 15. Oops. There we go. Choose a website. So we'll do URL. We'll just use. Does it have? I'll do. Dot example. .com. Write the script. So we'll do while true. We'll do counter equals while true. Oh, so we need to import requests. How do we do that? Let's copy it from day 14. So import requests. So while true, data equals requests dot request the URL. Wait, so what do we do? Dot get. So requests response equals request dot get URL plus, and we do string counter. Okay, so then we do, so we get the specific information. So we need to do soup equals, again all this, beautiful soup. Then we pass in the response as text, and we're saying it's an HTML parser. So beautiful soup. So we're going to say the data.text, and then we're also going to say it's an HTML parser. Okay. So here we're just iterating. Here we are just iterating through the different pages. Soup equals beautiful soup. Okay. And now we do all the specific information. Titles equals soup dot. Where's it? Find all. We're going to find all H1. Okay, and we're going to do descriptions. Soup dot find all paragraphs. So now we're going to do for I in titles, print I, for J in descriptions, print J. Oops, let me go on there. Okay, so that's the first one. So I got to remember request.get, and we pass in to get the soup, like beautiful soup data.text. Okay. Oh no, we need to increment the counter. Counter. Okay, now for the next one. Handle dynamic content. So this is using Selenium. Okay, so we go into File, Settings, Python Interpreter, Selenium. It's quite a cool name. Install package. There's so many different packages though. Gosh. Okay, I'll wait for this to download. Shouldn't take long. So yeah. Okay. So I think what request does, it just like copy paste the like index.html basically of it. But Selenium can handle, like, say if the website's loaded dynamically, like using the object model DOM, it can just be done like that. Oof, we've got a lot of, but it's so easy just in Python to download packages. So we do. Let me refer to this. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this. So URL. So we do driver dot equals what? Oh no, we need to import what's the import? Selenium from WebDriver. Why does it grow? Okay, I'm just gonna go like that. I just go dynamic. Okay, so now we got the WebDriver, and then we driver.get URL, and then soup. Oh yeah, and we need to close at the end. How do you do that? Driver.quit. Okay, so what do we need to do? To fetch dynamic content. So what do? Do we just... I'll do soup dot find all h1, then I'll do the class underscore. Is it like... How do I do it? Oh, class underscore equals. Should we do item? No. Big titles. Okay. Big titles, because it's an H1. Okay, now we'll do soup dot, we'll just do find this time. We'll have the H, we'll have class as info. Okay, so now we've done that. Yeah, so that fetches dynamic content, doesn't it? Yeah, I think that's right. Now let's go into the final one. I know we can print all of them, so I don't need your sign. What I entitles to. I keep on doing brackets, I'm just so used to C++. But to be honest though, it's good design, this should. So print I, print parrot. Okay. Oops, wrong one. So now we'll do the advanced tasks. extract data from okay, that's not too bad actually. So I'll just copy this one again. My URL and we also need the driver.quit. So we'll do while. Oh no, in this one we also need to break. So we do if not titles or not descriptions. Right. How do we check error code again? What was it? Response.status code. So we do if response.status code is not equal to 200, we're going to break. Oh, it's data this time. Break. There we go. So we can do while true. Oh no, so this would need to be in. Okay. Okay, so we can have this outside. So we can do plus string counter equals 1. And then at the end we do counter plus equals 1. So soup equals beautiful soup, and then we can have like titles equals soup dot find. We'll do h2 class equals small header. And do find all. So I think this should, yeah, driver.get beautiful soup. And then we'll do paragraphs